How to add songs to Spotify from YouTube. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to add songs to Spotify from YouTube. To start this tutorial, open youtube.com in your internet browser. Once you're there, click on any song that you want to add to your Spotify. In this, I'm going to click on the one with the plus sign icon, and then this will be saved to my library. To see if the playlist has been saved, close the music and click on your library on the bottom right. Swipe to the right on your playlist and locate that exact playlist that we just chose. That was Zane playlist, and it's actually there. I'm going to open it just to confirm. What I can do right now is press on back, because what we're going to do is copy the link. By doing that one, all you got to do is long press the playlist and click on copy. Once you press copy, you're going to open now a new tab. On a new tab, you're going to search for Tune My Music, and then hit enter. Once you're here, click the first link on the search bar. Wait for it to load this time. And now click on Let's Start. Wait for it to load once again. In here, you are going to be asked to search for a platform. Locate YouTube and click on it. Now paste the link that we just copied by long pressing on the search bar and clicking on Paste. And then now click Load from URL. Wait for it to load once again. After it finishes loading, it's going to ask you as to where the destination will be, as you can see on your screens. Tap Choose Destination and click Spotify. Once you're here, wait for it to load once again. Now all you're going to do right now is scroll down and then click on Agree. Make sure you logged into your account as well. And now tap on Start Transfer. Wait for it to process for it to finish. Please like, share, and comment. Hope you got some value, and see you on the next video.